We will have to take all the tomatoes and pull them off each. We chose these ones because they do taste a little bit better. If you get the ones without the stems, sometimes they just do not taste as flavorful. They'll just kind of taste like water as opposed to like a very like tomatoey taste. The next thing we'll do is add the clams to the water so that we can drain out more sand. It'll sit for about 1 hour. Okay, so now that we have the clams soaking in the salt water, we'll let it sit for about 40 minutes. We've taken out all the dead ones. The dead ones are the ones where you squeeze it and it'll kind of open back up. Obviously, this one is pretty broken too. But yeah, we will let this sit for about 40 minutes, and the next step is we will cook our pasta. Okay, so now that the clams have soaked for about 20 minutes, we're gonna pour out all the water. You can see all the sand at the bottom. But yeah, you can see all the debris down there. We're now gonna use water to pull all the salt back out of the clams. So I just rinsed it out, and you can kind of still see all those little black particles over here on the left side. That's what we're rinsing out. Okay, so yeah, we just poured out all the water, and now we put clean water in again, and this will take all the salt out of the clams. Otherwise, it'll be too salty. Sometimes you can probably get a bigger steamer, but since I was still hungry, I decided to cook some more clams. This is round 2. Alright, so for this one we're going to be using gluten-free spaghetti. I don't think it tastes as good as the other one, but it's probably a little bit healthier. Water's boiling, so we're going to just follow the instructions and make the pasta. Okay, so we have the water boiling. I like to crack the spaghetti in half so that it's not as big, but we'll go ahead and set our timer and then cook the pasta. Okay, so our pasta is done, so we're going to go ahead and drain it and then just rinse it with some water to stop the cooking and get rid of some of the pasta water. We are going to chop a little bit more onion just to finish with it. It just adds like a nice crispy, fresh taste to the pasta, so we will add that in. These two ingredients will both be added in without any cooking. So we will probably add some more Parmesan cheese. If you're like me and want more cheese, feel free to grate more into it. This is, usually I'll add a lot more cheese onto it. Maybe you'll add more. Anyways, that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video and happy cooking. See you next time.